Oh, hey fellas, just some more friendly advice for you guys. Like sometimes when you're out, you might be like talking to a lady and they might be a little bit interested, so they'll be like, oh, so what do you do for a job and all that. So you never lie to the ladies, mate. You never lie to the ladies. They know, eh? They sniff that out, and then you're going to get your ass kicked. So you just sort of alter it a little bit. Like I tell them, I go, oh, I'm a bit of a mentor, and I do some charity work by like volunteering my knowledge, my brain stuff to help out the people who are not quite as awesome as me, which is what I'm doing now for you fellas. And I'm an automotive relocation and transportation logistics specialist. Of course, it sounds, if I say I'm a tow truck driver, it sounds a bit dumbass. And then they'll be like, oh, what do you drive, bro? And I'll be like, oh, I've got this primo work vehicle. So, I'll be like, it's got 2 doors, one each side. It's got a high performance turbo 6-cylinder donk to make some good power. It's custom made for my specifications. We told them how to build it, and it's got like custom paintwork on it, and it retails for like over 100 grand. And they're like, oh, man, this guy must work for a flash place. So you don't tell them lies, because I'm not lying. Because women, they sniff that out and they're onto you, bros. So it's all about perception, how you see stuff. So remember that when you have the ladies, always look fly, keep your beard on point, and you just make sure you tell them the truth they want to hear. Cheer, bro.